Simon Data last year launched our composable architecture. And with that, we made Snowflake the core of our application in a way that reinforces the customer data warehouse as your business's source of truth. With our composable infrastructure, we return all data, including whatever third-party data we ingest on your behalf, and any data we produce as we orchestrate across channels back to Snowflake, and then run all major processes around segmentation and activation in Snowflake. And with this move to composable, the results have been obviously better access to data, better, with all the benefits you get from security and all the great things from Snowflake, lower latency for business use cases, and just further investments in Snowflake as your source of truth. And now with Cortex, we can double down on our investments in AI using Snowflake as well. And using Cortex has a number of benefits for us. One, we love Snowflake. So as a company, we can really quickly build applications on top of Snowflake's infrastructure, which allows us to build products and MVPs and get feedback from the market quickly. And then all the benefits that you get around data access and security are amplified with AI use cases, right? So just as we want direct access to secure first-party data for marketing use case in general, being able to embed first-party data securely into AI workflows is absolutely critical. Working with Cortex, we believe we have an opportunity to build a differentiated offering by building the ability to develop a truly contextual understanding of our customers' enterprise data. And to do this, it requires some core things that Simon and Cortex together enable. One is enterprise data access to all first-party data, customer and non-customer. Another is flexible data support, right? We don't come to our customers with a rigid perspective on what their data needs to look like. Instead, we optimize based upon what their business is in the data they produce. And we can achieve this scalably and securely with Cortex. And what this means, just soup to nuts, or more tactically, is the core of our AI workflow in Simon is a semantic understanding of what our customers' data actually is. Because if we don't know, or our AI apps do not understand what the data that they're interacting with upstream is, they'll have no ability to build smart products that actually deliver customer value. So leveraging Cortex to develop this upstream semantic understanding is really a huge unlock for us. And with that understanding, it's just a matter of combining customers' upstream data, what we know about it, and their business goals to deliver a well-designed solution that optimizes for the delivery of marketing value. And how this will appear to a user in the app won't necessarily be unfamiliar, right? We're gonna ask for a goal, and based upon the goal that they submit, we will be able to generate suggested audiences, content, and journeys based upon all of their upstream customer and non-customer data. So let's take an example from earlier when Jason was bringing up Zillow. You can imagine a customer recently browsing a listing and optimizing for content based upon not just their activity, right? A segment of recently browsing customers, but even on attributes around the listings they were browsing. For example, showing content in neighborhoods with highly scored school districts. Being able to achieve these sorts of hyper-personalized results at scale is something that we have years of experience supporting, and working with Snowflake and Cortex, we can now do it automatically across our customers.